Hi guys, welcome to Ecuador Homestead. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bee suit. Keep watching. Okay, so I'm in here, and okay, I've actually gone ahead and I actually made the suit. So it's pretty easy to show you how I made it and everything, so I'm just going to walk you through how I made it. Okay, so I went to the store and I bought a sweater. If you can find a sweater, that'd be great, because you need it with a hoodie. You need it with a hoodie on. Okay, and then, of course, long sleeve. Of course, all of them have that. But anyways, you get some screen, some wire, and then you actually just go around the edges and sew it onto there, okay? And then there's usually right here where you can tighten this, there's usually like a small hole that goes all the way around this thing. Put some wire, if you can string some wire through that little hole where this thing goes. Put the wire in there, because then it'll allow it to be a little bit more flexible. Stuff. That's the wire. It's kind of like it's stronger. Okay, so once you put the wire on and you put that in there, then what sometimes I do, this is a example. What I did is I put the wire across, and this provides, like, when you're, let me show you, when you're in there, you don't want the screen to be touching your nose, because a bee can come and pop your nose through the screen. So we use the wire to hold it out a little bit further, so that the screen's not touching your face, okay? If that makes sense. Okay, so now you're thinking, okay, well, what about the hands right down here? What we do with this is we take this and put these gloves on. If you can find any type of gloves, it'd be great. And then we put a rubber band around it so that there's no possibility that they can crawl up. And then down here, we just tuck this into our pants. They can't sting through jeans, so it's not a problem. And then I just wear boots. And so that's really our bee suit right there. So that's how we do our bee suit. We just make our bee suit. So it's real simple. So yeah. Hey, special thanks to all of our patrons over at Patreon. They're the real people that really support Ecuador Homestead. Without them, we couldn't fund for things like saving up for a camera or even the internet that we have in our house. So if you're interested to support Ecuador Homestead, go over to Patreon/Ecuador Homestead and see all the benefits that we provide. Or you can either take the link below that we have in the description. Okay, see you next time at Ecuador Homestead.